What's up guys, welcome to your 7th Pygame tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to draw polygons. Now a polygon, if you don't know, is just pretty much a multi-sided shape. It could have like any number of shapes you want. Any number of sides you want. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to draw it. So the first thing we need to do is pretty much have a list of points. And what Pygame is going to do is take all of these points and pretty much connect the dots, and everywhere you give a point it's going to draw a side from point to point, from list to list, and it's going to end up with a shape depending on how many points you give it. So let's go ahead and make a list of points right now, and I'm going to name mine points. And what we need to set it equal to is a list. So in your square bracket you need to give it as many number of items as you want. And these are going to be the coordinates for each point. So the first coordinate I'm going to put it like 120. The next coordinate I'm going to put at 140 by 140, which should be to the right more and lower more. And the last coordinate, let me put at the top, so 110 over and 30 down. So now that we got our 3 points, these are 3 points, so of course it's going to be 3-sided shape, which is going to be a triangle. The next thing we're going to need to do is give it a color, and I'm just gonna, you'll see why this is a lot simpler this way. So I'm just gonna make mine, I believe yellow is 255 0. So now that we have points and a color, we can go ahead and create our shape of our polygon. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And first thing we should do is lock the screen. After this, let's go ahead and create our shape. Pygame module, there's a draw, and this is polygon. This is the polygon built-in method or function. The first parameter it takes is what you want to draw it on, and this is screen. The next parameter it takes is the color, and of course you can do this and then this and then this, but of course we have this handy little color variable that we can use just as easy. So let's use color right there, and then after this, the third parameter it takes is that list of points. But fortunately we already have a list of points in that points variable up there, so we don't need to have a really confusing function. So this is just a different way where you can pass variables into these parameters, and it'll use that, and it'll just makes it look a lot nicer. So after this, let's go ahead and unlock the screen with a unlock function, and now we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this module, save it, and let's go ahead, and as you can see we have our nice triangle right here with the first coordinate, I can't even remember what they are, at 20 across, 120 down. The second point is 140 across, 140 down right here, and the third point, which is right here, is 110 across and 30 down. So that is how you get those 3 points and make up this nice polygon shape. And this is a simple triangle right here, but you can have yours any number of points you want. If you added 8 points to it, then it would be an octagon, so on and so on. So that's your quick tutorial on how to make simple polygons, or simple polygons with Pygame. So in the next tutorial I'm probably going to show you guys another shape, or how to do it in a different kind of way. So thank you guys for watching, and soon enough we'll be putting these shapes to use to make a sweet game. But again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next tutorial.